Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to install Kate on Windows. To install Kate, go to a browser and type Kate download. To download it first, press enter. Click on the first link. Scroll down to the Windows section and click on download Kate 64-bit installer. Now click on the .exe file. So this will download the exe. So now the download has started. This is around 100 MB. Wait for it to complete. So once the download is complete, we need to install it now. So click on the folders icon. So this will open the exe in Windows Explorer. So double click on the exe to install. Give yes if you get a security prompt. So now on the setup wizard, click on next. Click on next. Leave the location as default and click on next. Now click on install. Now the installation has started. Wait for it to complete. The installation is complete now. Click on finish. Next, we need to add Kate to path. For this, go to the location where Kate was installed. So in this system, we have installed it in program files, Kate. So now we need to locate the kate.exe. For this, go inside the bin folder and here locate kate.exe. So it is present here. So we need to copy the path where the exe was located. So just click here and copy this. Once we have copied the Kate path, we need to go to the environmental variables and add Kate to path. For this, press Windows R and type sysdm.cpl and press enter. Here click on the Advanced tab and click on Environmental Variables. Here under System Variables, click on Path and click Edit. Now click on New. Now we need to paste the path that we copied. So press Ctrl V to paste it. So now we have pasted the path here. Now click on OK. Click on OK again. Click on OK again. So now we have added Kate to the path variable. After installing Kate and adding it to the path variable, we can launch Kate now. So you can launch it from the start menu, or you can also launch it from command prompt. So let us see how to launch it from command prompt. So press Windows R and type cmd and press enter. So this will bring up the command prompt. Here type Kate, press enter. So now you can see that we have launched Kate from the command prompt. So these are the steps we need to follow to install Kate on Windows. I have prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.